Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. This powerful function helps you quickly find information in large datasets. Imagine you have a list of product ID and you want to find the price for a specific ID. VLOOKUP allows you to do just that by searching for your product ID in the first column of your data and returning a value from a specified column in the same row. It's a fantastic tool for data analysis. Let's break down the VLOOKUP syntax. The lookup value is what you're searching for, like a product code. The table array is your entire data table, including the lookup value and the result you want. Call index num is simply the column number within your table array that contains the information you wish to retrieve. Finally, range lookup is crucial. Use false for an exact match, which is most common, or true for an approximate match, often used with sorted numerical data. Now let's walk through an example. First, click on the cell where you want the VLOOKUP result to display. Next, type equals VLOOKUP, and then either type your lookup value in quotes or click on a cell containing it. After a comma, select your entire data range. Then, enter the column number from which you want to pull data. Finally, type false for an exact match, close the parenthesis, and hit enter. You should see your result instantly. When using VLOOKUP, remember that your lookup value must be in the first column of your selected table array, or it won't work. Also, double-check for any hidden spaces or slight misspellings that can cause a hash and slash error. If you're copying your formula, make sure to use absolute references for your table array to prevent it from shifting. For more great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers. Mastering these tips will make your VLOOKUP experience much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.